Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to do what they call we're going to do a printer head cleaning. So what you're going to do, we want to print our heads, to clean our heads. What you do, you press power button and hold, then you press the color button twice, 1 2, then you leave. After you leave, the process is gonna start cleaning, right? Let's wait. Every time when it finish cleaning, it's gonna give you a report. Let's be a little bit patient. While we're doing, it's gonna improve your copy quality, right? Yeah, so that's good. So we're doing, sometimes you might not get a report like now. So what you also do, that's the first phase. So the second phase, you still press the power button, then you press color once, twice, then black once. The printer is gonna start and we're gonna hear the noise. Okay, seems like it's done with that. So when it's done, it will be silent. So you press the third one, last one, you press power button on, then you press 1 2 color, 1 2 black, and it will start. Okay, it's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.